Your iPhone camera showing nothing but black? Here's the fix. First, check camera permissions. If the camera is not working in apps like Instagram, Snapchat, or WhatsApp, this is the first thing you must check. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Again, scroll down and tap Camera. Now, make sure the apps you want to use the camera with are turned on. If they're off, turn them on and test your camera again. Second, turn on camera and screen time. If your camera app is missing, this is the reason. Open Settings, scroll down and click on Screen Time. Then tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now go to Allowed Apps and Features. Ensure the camera is switched on. Third, fix the camera black screen. If your camera opens but shows only black screen, do this. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Now press and hold the side button. Keep holding it until the screen turns black and the Apple logo appears. Release the buttons and let your iPhone restart. This fixes most camera freezes and black screen issues immediately.